Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all of my videos. Thank you. 大家好，我是韩语老师。今天我要学习这是什么？这是什么 mean What is this？ 这是什么？这是我的笔。这是什么？这是我的手机。这是什么？这是我的韩语书。So today we will study what is this. We will study how Chinese people say what is this in Chinese. What is this? What is this? 这是这是什么？ Today our topic is what is this? In Chinese, how we will say in Chinese? 这是什么？这是什么 Just like I explained you that what is this? This is my pen. 这是我的笔。 What is this? 这是我的手机。这是我的韩语书。这是什么？这是西点。For example, if I have a dictionary and somebody asks me that what is this? For example, this is Chinese dictionary. So somebody asks me what is this? 这是韩语词典。词典 mean dictionary. 韩语 mean Chinese. So 这是什么？这是韩语词典。 Now we will say早上好 早上好 Good morning. So the answer will be the same. 早上好，早上好 Good morning. So everyone, when somebody tell you good morning, so you will also say good morning. In Chinese also, if somebody tell you 早上好, the answer will be the same. 早上好。 你去食堂吗 Are you going to canteen? 你去食堂吗？你去 Sorry. 你去食堂吗 Are you going to canteen? 你去 mean go. 食堂 canteen. 你去食堂吗 Are you going to canteen? Pu, 我会素食。不，我会素食。Hostel, dorm. 不 no 我会素食。会 mean go back or return. 你住是当吗？不，我会素食。I come back to my dorm or hostel. No, this person asked from this person. 你住哪儿？我会素食。I come back to hostel. 你住哪儿 Where are you going? 我住教室。我住教室。我住教室。不，我会素食。你住哪儿 Where are you going? 我住教室。教室 classroom. I go to classroom. No, I come back to dormitory, hostel. This means hostel. Zaijian. Answer should be the same. Zaijian means goodbye. OK， 这是什么？这是我的韩语词典，这是我的笔，这是我的手机。你住食堂吗 ？Are you going to canteen？ 不 ，No， 我会宿舍。I come back to my hostel, my dorm. 你住哪 Where are you going? 我住教室。I go to classroom. 再见。And the answers should be the same. 再见。谢谢你。Now we have new words of this lesson. 这 this 是 is 什么 what 词典 dictionary 词典 dictionary to go to go 早上 morning 早上 morning 早上好 good morning 食堂，食堂 canteen，食堂 canteen，会 go back，会 go。宿舍 hostel，宿舍 hostel，教室 classroom，教室 classroom，再见 goodbye，再见再见 go back。